Well, in this tutorial we're going to learn how to create the neon sign text effect. And I must tell you folks, there are many ways to accomplish this, but this has to be, if not the fastest, one of the fastest ways to get it done. So let's open up a page. File, New, and here's our page. And I'm going to click and select a text that has a lot of body, like the black oak, and I'm going to type rather Starburst. I'm going to Control T to enlarge it to what I want it to be. When I'm done, I'm going to click on the Move tool to apply it. Now I have it like this. The next thing to do is to color my background black. So I'm going to go to the background, and given that my foreground is already set to black, all I have to do is Alt backspace and everything is black. Now let's turn on our neon sign. We're going to go to the Starburst layer, which is the text layer, and we're going to apply a style. Click on the downward arrow key. Let's go to stroke. Start off with stroke. We have a red stroke, which is not what we want. I'm going to click on the color, and I'm going to, let's say, choose this purple. It's okay to that. And now once I have the purple, I want to change the purple to a gradient. Alright, and once I change it to a gradient, you notice it actually defeats the purpose of us coloring this thing purple in the first place, because now we have to go back and change all the colors according to the colors that we want. Remember, we're trying to achieve the neon effect. So I'm going to click on a gradient, come over here, I'm just going to click. By just clicking on this wheel right here, I can add additional colors. So I'm going to add different colors here. I want the extremities of my colors or my gradients to be black, so right here is good. I'm going to change this one by clicking here, coming onto the wheel itself, picking black. The one in the middle, I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to choose white. And over here, this is where it really matters, when we choose our purple, to come up with our neon color. And this one, I'm just going to pick off the wheel to make sure I have the exact same color over here. Now that I have this, I'm going to click OK. And here is our neon effect, rather what our grading is going to look like. After that, the next thing to do, and it's very important, if you don't do this, you will not achieve the effect. The style, go to the drop down key and press the shape burst. Choose a shape burst and you end up with this. We're done with the stroke. Let's move up to the outer glow, which is actually going to create the effect. Click on the outer glow. We're going to choose or change the color by going up here again and choosing something similar to what we already have on the stage. I'm going to click OK to that. I'm going to come down to spread. I'm going to drag it to 15. Come to size and make the size somewhat, let's say 46. 46 is good. And I'm going to click OK. And just like that, folks, you have your neon sign text effect.